Good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about one marks question. Today class discussing about two marks question. See the first question. In this question, A matrix given, B matrix given to find AB matrix and BA matrix. So now we are going to solution. First of all, what are the given matrix given? You should write A matrix and B matrix. After that, they are asking find AB. Find AB. Now substituting A matrix and B matrix. A matrix given is 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1. Order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Next B matrix is 3, minus 1, minus 2, 0. B is the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. So number of columns is equal to the number of rows, both are equal. The product will be existing. The resulting matrix AB resulting matrix is 2 by 2. So AB is resulting matrix is 2 by 2. Now product with A matrix and B matrix. First row take from first matrix, first column take from second matrix. Now you should apply the multiplication method. 2 3 ja 6 plus minus 2 into minus is that value is plus 4. Next product with the first row, second column, second matrix. 2 into minus 1, that value is minus 2 plus minus 2 into 0 is 0. I am writing directly. Understand, dear students. Product with the first row, first column. 2 3 ja 6 plus minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So first row, first column is over. Next we are going to first row, second column. 2 into minus 1, that value is minus 2 plus minus 2 into 0 is 0. First row, first column, first row, second column is over. Next we are going to second row. Now second row, first column. 3 into 3, 9 plus minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. So now second row, first column, second column. 3 into minus 1 value is minus 3 plus minus 1 into 0, 0. So finally we got our AB matrix is 10, minus 2, 11, minus 3. These are required solution for that AB matrix. Next we need to calculate BA. So next we need to calculate BA. Substitute B matrix is 3, minus 1, minus 2, 0. Order of the matrix B is 2 by 2. Next substitute A matrix is 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1. This one also order of the matrix is 2. The product will be existing because of the number of columns is equal to the number of rows, both are equal. So product will be existing. We get the BA resulting matrix is 2 by 2. We get the resulting matrix is 2 by 2. First row take from first matrix. Product with the first column take from second matrix. So 3 2 ja 6 plus minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. So first row, now second column. 3 into minus 2, minus 6 plus minus 1 into minus 1, that value is plus 1. Product with the first row, first column. Product with the first row, second row. That's why I am writing only first row, first column, first row, second column. Next we are going to second row. Second row, first column. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 0 into 3 value is 0. So next we have product with the second column, second row. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus 0 into 3 value is 0. So we got answer is 6 minus 3 is 3. Minus 6 plus 1, that value is minus 5. Minus 4 plus 0, that value is minus 4. 4 plus 0, that value is 4. This is BA matrix. Here is the required solution of this first question. So everyone understood, dear students? So I think everyone understood this question, how to find AB, how to find BA. This is a method. So next we are discussing about second question. Next we are discussing about 2 marks question, second question. See the second question. If capital A is equal to 2 minus 1 3 and B is equal to 1 4 2. Find AB and BA. So in this question also given A matrix and B matrix, we need to calculate AB and BA. So given solution, see the solution. Given A matrix is 2 minus 1 3 and the B matrix is given is 1 4 2. They are asking find AB matrix. Substitute A matrix is 2 minus 1 3. Order of the matrix is 3 by 1. Substitute B matrix is 1 4 2. This order of the matrix is 1 by 3. The product will be existing because of number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the both are equal. So product will be existing. We get AB. Resulting matrix is 3 by 3. We get resulting matrix is 3 by 3. Now first row take from first matrix, first column take from second matrix. That's why 2 into 1 2 over. Because of first row there is no 3 elements, first column there is no 3 elements, only your first one is single element, your first one is single element. So product first row and first column. After that we can leave. Next product second column element. First row second column. 2 4 ja 8. Next to first row third column. 2 2 ja 4. So first row first column, first row second column, first row third column is over. Next we are going to second row first column. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Now product with second row second column. Minus 1 into 4 minus 1. Now product with the second row third column. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Second row also 1 is we are going to third row. Product with third row first column. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 4 ja 12. Third column now 3 2 ja 6. Is required for the AB matrix. Is required AB matrix value. Next we have to discussing about BA. Next we have to discussing about BA. Now substitute B matrix is 1 4 2. This is order of the matrix is 1 by 3. Next substitute A matrix is 2 minus 1 3. This is order of the matrix is 3 by 3, not 3 by 3, 3 by 1. So product will be existing because of number of columns is equal to the number of rows. So we get resulting BA matrix is 1 1, means one row only one column. Now product with the first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. That's why 1 into 2 2 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 2 3 ja 6. We get resulting answer is 2 minus 4 plus 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 minus 4, that value is 4. Is required the BA matrix value. So this is required for the solution. First we have to calculate AB matrix. Next we have to calculate in the BA matrix. Product of AB we got answer is 284 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 3 12 6. Next we got BA matrix is only 4. This is required solution for this question. So I think you are understanding this question. So next we are going to third question. So dear student, third question. If capital A is equal to 2 3 minus 1 1 minus 1 0, find A into transpose of A and transpose of A into A. So in this question they are asking find A into transpose of A matrix and transpose of A into A. You know how to find the transpose of A matrix means interchanging the rows and columns. So now we are going to solution. Given capital A is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0. So next we have to write transpose of A matrix interchanging rows and columns. First one replace with the first column is 2, 3, minus 1. Second row can be replaced with the second column 1, minus 1, 0. Now we need to calculate A into transpose of A. A into transpose of A. Now substitute the matrices. The A matrix is 2, 3, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0. Order of the matrix is 2 by 3. Next substitute. Transpose of A matrix is 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 0. Order of the matrix is 3 by 2. So both are equal. So resulting matrix is we get 2 by 2 matrix. We get resulting matrix A into transpose of A matrix. We get resulting matrix is 2 by 2. First row, first column. So 2 2 ja 4 plus 3 3 ja 9 plus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. First row, first column is over. Next first row, second column. That's why I'm writing second column, first row, second column. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus minus 1 into 0, 0. First row, first column, first row, second column is product. After we are going to second row, first column. 1 into 2, 2 plus minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 0 into anything value is 0. So second row, second column. 1 into 1, 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 plus 0 into 0, 0. We got transpose A into transpose of A matrix. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4 that value is 14. 2 minus 3 that value is minus 1. 2 minus 3 that value is minus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So finally we got A into transpose of A matrix value is 14 minus 1 minus 1 2. Next we have to calculate transpose of A into A. Transpose of A into A. Now substitute transpose of A matrix is 2 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 0. Order of the matrix is 3 by 2. Next substitute A matrix is 2 3 minus 1 1 minus 1 0. Order of the matrix is 2 by 3. Number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix, both are equal. We get the transpose of A into A, resulting matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. Now first row, first column. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 into 1 1. So next to first row, second column. 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Next to third column. 2 into minus 1 that value is minus 2 plus 1 into 0, 0. So first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column is over. Next we are going to second row, first column. 3 2 ja 6 plus minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. So first second row, first column is over. Next to second row, second column. 3 3 ja 9 plus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Second row, second column is over. Next to second row, third column. 3 into minus 1, that value is minus 3 plus minus 1 into 0, 0. So second row is over. Next we are going to third row, first column. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 0 into anything value is 0. Third row, first column is over. Next to third row, second column. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 0 into anything value is 0. So next to third row, third column. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 plus 0 into anything value is 0. Finally got answer is 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. Minus 2 plus 0 that value is minus 2. 6 minus 1 that value is 5. 9 plus 1 that value is 10. Minus 3 plus 0 that value is minus 3. Minus 2 plus 0 that value is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 0 value that is minus 3. 1 plus 0 that value is 2. So this is the required solution for the transpose of A into A matrix. So like that to find the A into transpose of A matrix and transpose of A into A matrix. So you have understood, dear friends. Next we are going to fourth problem. I think everyone understanding this concept. Very easy. See the fourth question. If capital A is equal to 3 minus 1 2 1 2 2 2 0 5, find A square. So someone doing A square they given, that's why whatever the A equipment is given here, writing A, after each number you are doing square. So that is not correct here, squares. A square means A square can be written as A into A. After that we should apply the multiplication of two matrices condition. See the solution given. Capital A is equal to 3 minus 1 2 1 2 2 2 0 5. They are asking find A square. A square can be written as A into A. So don't do the square row. After that don't do the each element square. So A square is nothing but A into A. So now substitute the A matrix twice. 3 minus 1 2 1 2 2 2 0 5. This order of the matrix is 3 by 3. Again you can substitute A matrix 3 minus 1 2 1 2 2 2 0 5. This also order of the matrix is 3 by 3. So now A square we get the resulting matrix also 3 by 3 matrix only. We get 3 by 3 matrix. First row, first column. So 3 3 are 9 plus minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 plus 2 into 0 0. First row first term is over. Next first row second column. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 2 into 0 0. First row second column is over. Next we are going to first row third column. 3 into 2 6 plus minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 5 10. So first row first column, first row second column, first row third column is over. Next your product with the second row first column. 1 into 3 3 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 2 2 ja 4. Second row first column is over. Next we are going to second row second column. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 2 ja 4 plus 2 into 0 0. Now second row third column, second column is over. Next product with the second row third column. 1 into 2 2 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into 5 10. Now second also completed. Next we are going to product with the third row first column. 2 3 ja 6 plus 0 into 1 is 0 plus 5 into 2 10. Third row first column is over. Next product with the second third row second column. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 5 into 0 0. So third row second column also over. Next we are going to product with the third row third column. That's why I meant third row third column position. 2 into 2 4 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 5 into 5 25. So finally we got A square is equal to this is 0 not 6. 9 minus 1 that value is 8 minus 3 minus 2 that value is minus 5 plus 6 plus 10 plus 16 plus 16 minus 2 that value is plus 14. So next 3 plus 2 5 5 plus 4 that value is 9 minus 1 plus 4 that value is 3. Next 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 10, that value is 16. So next, 6 plus 10, that value is 16. Minus 2. Next, 4 plus 25, that value is 29. This is the required for this solution. So finally we got a square is equal to 8 minus 5, 14, 9, 3, 16, 16 minus 2. Then this is the required solution in this question. Dear students, if you have any doubts is there, please contact with me. I will explain once again. So remaining questions discussing about tomorrow class. Thank you all.